Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video on our channel Web Tech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download Canva on your PC. So watch this video till the end to learn how, and also subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss videos similar to this. Firstly, head over to your browser, then in the search bar type in Canva Windows. Now as you enter the website, you can see an option to download it. Click on Start Download. After the application has been downloaded in your device, open the application. Now before you use Canva on your desktop, you need to log into your account on the website of Canva. After you do that, you can open the desktop app. And just like that, you have downloaded Canva on your PC.
To sign up for a new account for Canva, first open up a web browser of your choice. Into the URL box at the top, type in www.canva.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official web page of Canva, which looks like this. Go to the upper right hand corner and click the sign up button in order to start your registration. In the pop-up that appears, go ahead and select either Google, Facebook, or you can also continue registering with your email address. Let me click on continue with email, and now enter an email address you'd like to associate with canva.com in the text box. Once you type in a valid email address, click on the continue button. Now on the next page, enter your name in the text box at the top. On the next field where it says password, create a new password for your account. Make sure to type in the correct password and make sure that you'll remember the password while logging in next time. Once you create a password, you can double check by clicking this little eye icon. And finally, after you are done, click Create Account. You can save your password for later use in this particular device by clicking Save at the top right, but if you are doing this on a public computer, make sure that you choose Never. Now, you'll need to enter a verification code sent to the email address that you just typed in. So open up your email on a new tab. In my case, since I've chosen my Gmail, let me go and open up my gmail.com account. Soon after you open up your email inbox, you should receive an email from Canva. Click it open, copy the code that you received, and go back to your Canva registration page. Enter the code or paste it in, and you'll be able to sign up for a new account on Canva. Go ahead and select what you will be using Canva for by selecting one of the options over here, and that way you should be able to create a new account or sign up for canva.com. Canva is a powerful designing tool that helps you to create projects and also help teach students the basics of digital designs. That is how you can easily sign up for canva.com. In order to log into your Canva account, first open up a web browser of your choice. In the URL box, type in www.canva.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official site of Canva, which looks like this. To log into your account, go to the upper right hand corner and click the login button. You'll be able to see the login area on the next page. To log into your account, you can either choose Google, Facebook, or your email that you've registered with, but make sure to select the same option that you used while registering or signing up for Canva.com. In my case, I've signed up using my email, so let me click on Continue with Email. Now, enter your email address that is associated with your account in the text box and make sure to type in your information correct. Soon after you enter your email, click the Continue button. On the next page, type in your password in the text box. To double check your password, click the eye icon at the right corner. You can also log in with a code instead. Click on this little button beneath and you'll be able to go log into your account with an email code. Once you type in your password, click the login button, and soon after you hit login, you'll be able to log into your canva.com account quick and easy without delay.
Now to get started, log into your Canva account and choose any of the template you want. For now, I'm going to choose the presentation template because it gives you a nice wide screen, which will be easier to create a wide table. Now, after you open a template, you need to go to Elements, and then if you see on the third option, you can see a separate section for tables. If you do see all, you can see a bunch of tables that you can choose from. Now, if you select any of the tables, on any of the tables, table will be imported to your workspace. Now, if you want, from here you will be able to scale this, or if you want, you can also add columns to it. If you want a column after or before, you can choose it from here. You can also move columns to the right or to the left. And if you want to delete a column, you can simply do it from here. You can also size it by pulling on the corner. This will give you a nice big table. So that's how you can create a table on Canva. It is quite easy to add hyperlinks to your project on Canva. By adding hyperlinks, when someone clicks on the part where the hyperlink is included, the person will be directed to the website or any link that is added in the section. After you finalized your project, and let's suppose you want to add hyperlink to this text, what you can do is select this text and click on the 3 lines. Then you can see an option that says link, which appears like a drop down. You can click on this, and from here you can enter any link that you want. Just copy and paste your link, and that's it. The hyperlink has been added. And now if anyone clicks on this text, the person will be directed to the page that you have attached. You can also add hyperlinks to any of the elements that is in your project. It is the same process. You click on any of the elements and then click on the link, and you can enter the link in this area. So that's how you can add hyperlinks to your project on Canva. Hey guys, in this episode, I'm going to show you how you can add music or audio to Canva. So basically there are 2 ways that you can do it. The first way is to choose the audio that is available on Canva. To do that, you can click on the more option, which is the 3 dots, and then you can see an option for the audio. If you click on it, you will get a wide range of audios to choose from. Some of them are premium and some of them are also available for free. If you have a premium Canva account, then you will be able to use all of these sounds, which also has many different categories. So that's the first way how you can add audio. You can simply click on any of the audio that you like. And another way you can add your own audio is by uploading your audio to Canva. What you can do is head over to the upload section. From here you will be able to upload your files directly from your device, or if you want, you can also upload it from a bunch of other options such as Google Drive, Dropbox, Facebook, Instagram, and Google Photos. If you want to upload the audio from your device, then you can click on upload files, and from here you will be able to choose any of the files that you have and simply open the file. After the file has been uploaded to Canva, you can use it by simply tapping on this audio, or you can drag and drop it in any of the scenes that you like. Now, to add text to any of your projects, you can simply head over to the text section, which is on the left panel. Click on text, If you know the name of any of the text, then you can also search the text from here, or if you want, you can choose from all these selections. If you have a premium account, then you can also choose any of these pro versions which is not available on the free account. For example, if you like this text, then you can simply click on this and it will be added to the canvas. From here you will be able to change it to any word you like. You can also change this color if you don't like the color, and you can also increase or decrease the size of the text. There are also a few effects that you can add to your text, such as you can add shadows, or you can also add backgrounds to your text, which gives it a nice effect around your text. So if you want to add page numbers to your projects on Canva, you cannot do that automatically, and you will need to do that manually. What you can do is, let's say you have a couple of pages. Now what you can do is head over to text and select any of the headings that you want, and you can drag the text anywhere that you like to add the page number. From here you can type in 1, place it wherever you want it in the page. You can also increase and decrease the size, and maybe if you want, you can also change the color of text on your page number. If you also want to add a background to this, what you can do is select your page number and head over to FX and then go to background, and from here you will be able to choose any background that you want. You can repeat the same process. You just need to copy this one and bring it down and paste it here, and you can change this number to 2. And just like that, you can add page number to your project on Canva. To delete your account of Canva, firstly you need to be logged in to your account. After you're logged in, click on your profile and then head over to account settings. From there you'll need to go to login and security, which is on the left panel of the screen. Now if you scroll down a bit, you can see an option for delete your account. Click on delete account. Now here are a few things that you should know before deleting your account. If you delete your account now, you only have 14 days to restore your account. If you don't restore your account within 14 days of deleting, it will be permanently deleted forever, which will also delete all the designs you have uploaded and all the information that you have on your Canva account. If you have a pro version of Canva, remember to cancel your plan before deleting your account. Otherwise, you will be continuously charged even if you do not have an account for Canva. So if you want to delete your account, type in the word delete as it says here, and you will need to click on this delete account, and your account will be deleted. And if you don't restore it within 14 days, it will be deleted permanently. So that's how you can delete your Canva account. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, and we'll be soon back with more videos similar to this. Thank you for watching.